Welcome, this is Xperia and we now show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So open first the settings app, tap to the sounds and vibration, and you'll see here ring and notification button panel. So to mute notifications, we should just hold and slide to the left side ring and notification button panel. But by this way, you'll mute not only the notifications but also the ringtones. And if you wanna just mute only notifications, I suggest you to unmute this volume panel, scroll down to notification sound and switch your currently sound to none. Tap to OK to save the changes, and by this way you will mute all of your notifications but you will stay with the ringtones. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.